Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.